Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. I'm back with day 7 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and man, oh man, Ashevitz, do we have a good prize for you today. But before I get to this, why did the Scarecrow get a Christmas bonus? Because he was outstanding in his field. That came from a viewer, and I love that joke. Anyway, on the 7th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Wyze outdoor cam kit. That's right, you're getting everything on the table. The Wyze outdoor cam, the base station, a couple of cables to connect this up to your power and your network, a power supply for the base station, an instruction manual, and a sticker. Now, if you've never heard of Wyze before, they're a brilliant company that builds incredibly cool products that are lower priced than other vendors on the market. So what they'll do is look at a space where they don't build a product, they'll analyze the competition, and they'll come out with a beautiful outdoor camera that does everything the other guys do for a lower price. And I just love their products. I've talked about their switches before, their outlets, their lights, everything they make. I got a vacuum cleaner from this company. They make everything, but this Wyze outdoor cam is unique in a lot of ways. 1080p streaming media. The base station picks up that connection from the camera. It'll run 6 months on a single charge. You can put it outside. It's IP65 rated, so I don't care where you live in the country. There's rain, there's snow. It's going to be just fine outside, and we're giving the whole kit away. Now, the contest could not be easier. Just like I say every time, there's a link below. Click that link. A form will come up. Just put your email in and your username on YouTube in. And the only reason I need those is because if you win the contest, I have to be able to get a hold of you so I can send you the product. So fill out the form. After 7 days, we're going to close our eyes and we're going to pull a winner out of that pile. And once we select that winner, I'm going to send you an email to say, good news, you won the Wyze outdoor cam. And you're going to send me your address. We'll put this in a box and we'll ship it to you. And I don't care where in the world you live. Now, I've been all over the world. I've been lucky to travel a lot with my job. One of my favorite places to go, believe it or not, is India. It's a beautiful country. I've spent a lot of time in Mumbai. We've sent a lot of products to India as well. We gave a bunch away last year and shipped a ton of stuff over to India as part of the 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways. But India is an interesting country in that it's so inspiring when you're there because there's so many different businesses going on. There's a lot of hustle and bustle, especially in Mumbai. And I just love the culture and I love the community over there. And so I'd be happy to send this over to Mumbai or really India or anywhere in the world. I don't really care, but definitely enter the contest because I just can't wait to give this one away. This is one of my favorites. I got a few of these outside of my own home and I love looking at the deer in the backyard. Maybe there's a squirrel running across the backyard. We have a lot of chipmunks out there as well. Sometimes they get into a little tussle in the backyard and I can see them on this camera. So it's a beautiful camera for outdoor use. And again, it's a Wyze product, so you know it's going to work really well. And that's pretty much all I had for today, except which I'd like to say, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, like I say every time, hit that subscription button down there, that little Drone Valley icon, and then you'll join the Drone Valley family. And that way, when we post a new clip like this, you'll get a little ding on your phone and you'll know that somebody posted a clip for Drone Valley. You can come back and enter the contest because we're on day 7. I've got 12 days total, so that's 5 more by my count. We also have a special mystery box that we're going to give away at the end of this where I got a bunch of goodies stuffed in that box and I'm not going to talk about it till after Christmas, but that's going to be a really nice prize as well. So there's plenty of chances to win. You definitely want to join the Drone Valley family and enter those contests. And the last thing I'll say is, look, I got a haircut. So I'm really excited about finishing these clips. I'm getting a little bit tired, but I think I'll be okay. I'll have another cup of coffee and I'll be back with day 8 tomorrow. So thanks a lot for watching, and until tomorrow, happy flying.